Hey guys, what's up? It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little update on the channel. I know I haven't posted much recently, I've just been so busy right now. With the holidays coming around, that's always a busy time. And you're probably wondering where the videos are. Well, as a matter of fact, I do have a premiere that's coming out on Friday at 8 o'clock. It's kicking off December along Tidewater Rails. That is finally finished and uploaded there for your enjoyment. I'm also working on concluding December along Tidewater Rails as we speak. Not much has been recorded for that just yet, but that is going to quickly change. Uh, that's in the process right now of being worked on as we speak. The Q&A prompt for this month is also off to a really good start. I appreciate the ones of you who have listened to the new rule that is out. I'm sorry I did not mention the rule sooner, but that video is up there for your enjoyment, so I will not be covering that in this video. So I appreciate all of you who have recently subscribed. I've noticed I've gotten a few new subscribers in recently. Just want to thank those who are recently new subscribers, so welcome. Uh, and that's really about it. I just haven't really had time to look at a lot of things. I've just been really busy right now as far as my job and also with the holidays coming around. It's always a busy time. So that premiere is coming out Friday night. Also, December Q&A prompt is going to close on the 29th at 11:50 p.m. Eastern Time, and the responses will be out for your enjoyment on December 31st, which is New Year's Eve. The New Year's Day, the January Q&A prompt will be released as well, and that will be kicking off 2020 with the Q&As. Once again, if you have not yet submitted your questions for the December Q&A prompt, you still have a little bit of time left. You have about maybe a week and a half left. So even though it seems like a little bit of time, that's going to quickly approach us. So excuse me. But so please go ahead and get your questions in as soon as you can. So I will be also leaving that on the end screen as well on this video, so you guys can just go directly to the Q&A. As well as the new rule video, as well as the new premiere when it does come out. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please remember to leave a comment and below on any of my videos. And if you like the videos, please remember to give them a thumbs up. And just remember, smash the subscribe button and the bell to receive all notifications. Thank you guys. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next Rail Adventure. Peace out, guys, and may God bless.